Today we're faced with many food challenges. Some are affecting our health, others are affecting our planet. When you're either a vegetarian, a vegan, or wanting to cut down on your animal protein, what are the choices? And what are choices that are satisfying, good for you? They're not that many. So how can we bring to market something that's really healthy, a good tasting product that's plant-based protein? We really took on that challenge and said, is there something out there that could really change the way we eat food? And that's why we ended up creating TempehSure.
The whole point of the TempehSure machine is delicious tempeh. Tempeh is an unprocessed, fermented, plant-based protein. This is a perfect way to get more protein. It has about 18 to 20 grams of protein per 4 ounces. So TempehSure gives me a measure of control over two really important things, my nutrition, and the other is my creative expression in the kitchen. Traditionally, tempeh has been made with soy. With the TempehSure machine, you have the freedom to explore lots of different legumes. I've made it with black beans, with adzuki beans, with chickpeas, even with peanuts.
TempehSure empowers individuals to make their own plant-based protein in their home. Instead of buying it at retail and wondering where it came from and all these things, you're in control. You're in control of your own food supply.
If everybody was to eat meat, it's not sustainable with the amount of people that are on the earth. And so we really need to be eating more plant-based protein.
TempehSure is awesome because it's almost like magic. I mean, so much happens inside that has to happen to make tempeh. So getting after the design of this posed a few problems. We know we have to be able to incubate just right. Climatic controls, temperature, moisture, humidity, all these things have to be dealt with, and then it has to pasteurize. So that was a design problem, but we don't want everybody to have to bother with that. We wanted to make it seamless to the individual. So the oven's designed to do it all for you with the push of a button. I can screw up microwave popcorn, but I can push a button.
Hey Kickstarter, my name's Grant. I'm a gourmet chef turned product designer, and I've designed a totally new, unique product, the hubless pizza cutter. As a trained chef, I take pride in all the kitchen products I buy. I don't have patience for bad products. And we all know there's a lot of bad products, especially pizza cutters out there. They flex, they wobble, and they tear all the toppings of your pizza because they just don't cut deep enough. Not anymore. The hubless pizza cutter has a smaller than average cutting wheel, yet it cuts far deeper than any other pizza cutter on the market. Our patent-pending slip ring design reduces drag and eliminates excess blade wobble, and it's made using the best materials available. The design has been awarded the Global Innovation Award at the 2015 International Home and Houseware Show. We've already cut most of the tools needed and have done a small pilot run. These first hand-finished and tested pizza cutters are ready to be shipped to our early bird backers. Kickstarter, we're almost there, and we need your help generating enough pre-orders to cut the last tool needed to enter full-scale manufacturing. Please share this campaign with your friends and family and take advantage of some of the great rewards we have to offer below. Help us save the world, one pizza at a time. Pledge on the right, and a happy cook.
Hi, my name's Warren Simpson. Welcome to my Kickstarter project for this titanium grater. I've always been frustrated with traditional graters, and as much as I've searched, I've never found one that I'd liked. So now I've made my own. It's a new concept for how you grate cheese. You move the grater over the cheese instead of the cheese over the grater. So now when you grate the cheese, you can see the cheese fall in front of you and stop when you have enough. Whether it's a salad, a hot dog, pizza, a sandwich, or a filled roll, or whatever you're making. And it's not just for cheese. You can grate carrot, cucumber, potato. You can grate anything you like. You can create chocolate shavings for your cappuccino, or if you like, you can create chocolate shavings for your favourite dessert. It's safer than a traditional grater because you're grating away from your hand. It's nice and easy to clean. There's no corners or areas for bacteria to get stuck in. I'll be making two versions, one for right-handed people and one for left-handed people. It's ultra hygienic because it's made from titanium and it's built to last a lifetime. As a designer and machinist, I'll be making this entirely here in New Zealand in my workshop, like I did with my previous Kickstarter projects. Thanks for checking out my project. Take a look at the rewards below and find one that suits you.
This is Trivae, the perfect accessory for any kitchen. Trivae is a one-of-a-kind lid holder and dual trivet all in one. It's easy to use, minimizes clutter, and is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Better still, it helps to minimize burns, the spread of germs, and damage to surfaces while cooking. Trivae is made of durable cast metal and non-slip silicone pads that combine in an ergonomically sleek and modern design. Simply click Trivae into one of 3 set positions. The Z shape is perfect for holding hot lids of any size while cooking or presenting finished dishes in a unique and eye-catching way. Easily close Trivae to use as a classical trivet. This position also allows for compact storage anywhere. Expand Trivae for larger casseroles or for displaying multiple dishes. Weighing less than 2 pounds, Trivae is still incredibly strong and durable, holding any dish up to 10 pounds. All in one.
I'm Hamish, and this is our first Kickstarter project, the Yolkr.
Traditional methods of egg yolk separation have never been very efficient, or successful for that matter. We essentially wanted to develop an easy, efficient, mess-free way to separate the egg yolk from the white. Right from the start, it was important for us to make it a top quality product, something that we could be proud of. The fundamental part in the development of the product was the design. It had to be ergonomically friendly, look as good as possible, small enough to fit in a drawer, and of course, it had to be functional.
Hamish first came to me with the concept. We then went through hundreds of ideas, sketches and technical drawings. Once we felt we were on the right track, we developed a CAD model. This then led to the production of dozens of prototypes and working models.
It's fantastic for anyone that bakes and makes a great gift. The perfect addition to any kitchen. The answer to those chefs out there who just want to quickly separate egg yolks without any mess. The perfect solution for those out there who want to maximise the protein and minimise the fat. It's easy to clean. Easy to disassemble. The materials are food safe and dishwasher safe. With your support, we will be able to pay for the tooling moulds and dies required to go into production and see countless hours of development effort come to fruition. Whatever you use it for, it makes separating the yolk from the white simple and easy. It's the Yolkr. If you would like to make a pledge, we can send you your very own Yolkr. There's even an exclusive limited Kickstarter green version available. Thanks for watching.